In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subtract two columns in Excel. Let's start with a quick overview of what we're trying to do. Imagine you have two sets of numbers side by side in an Excel worksheet. For example, one column might be original price, and the next column might be discounted price, and you want to find the difference between them. Subtracting two columns simply means creating a third column that shows the result of one column minus the other, row by row. Excel makes this very straightforward once you know the correct formula and how to apply it. First, open your Excel file and locate the two columns you want to subtract. For clarity, it helps if each column has a header, like column A for the first value and column B for the value you want to subtract from it. Now decide where you want the results to appear. Usually, you'll place the results in the column immediately to the right of your existing data so that everything lines up neatly. Click on the first empty cell where you want the result of the subtraction to show, typically in the same row as your first numbers. In that cell, you're going to type a simple formula. Start with an equal sign, then click the cell from your first column, type a minus sign, and then click the corresponding cell from your second column. For example, it will look something like EA2B2, but based on whichever cells you actually have. Press Enter, and Excel will instantly calculate the difference for that row. To avoid typing a formula for every single row, you can copy this formula down the entire column. Move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the cell where you just entered the formula. You'll see a small square handle. When your cursor changes to a small cross, click and drag it down through all the rows that contain data you want to subtract. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each row, subtracting the correct pair of cells in each case. Take a moment to scan through the results and make sure the numbers look reasonable. If you see an error, double-check that the cells you referenced in the first formula match the correct columns and that there are no text values mixed in with your numbers. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to subtract two columns in Excel using a simple formula, and how to quickly apply it to an entire list of data.